In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.
Welcome to Knockout Crypto. Thank you for following our channel. You can follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. We appreciate the support. Also, don't forget to go to knockoutcrypto.com to join to get our picks and the next big Knockout Crypto report. You can also get that at on Instagram.com. I mean, knockoutcrypto.com. All right. You guys know that I'm a big fan of Matic, so we want to do Matic news for May. This should be a big month for Matic. Matic has came out with his counter stake stage 1 recap. Full report of our counter stake journey so far and successful conclusion of stage 1. Matic is another step closer towards their mainnet launch. So as we head into May, I expect big things for Matic as the mainnet is about to launch, right? So this is huge news. Some of us have been waiting for this for months, and we are finally here where the Matic mainnet is going to launch. Okay, so let's get into this article and find out what is going on with Matic. Okay, so Matic says we are delighted to have reached another milestone, our development journey, approaching mainnet launch, the completion of stage 1 of our Counter-Strike incentivized testnet initiative. The network has now been comprehensively tested, and the latest iteration of our counter-stake testnet, CS 2006, has been running perfectly for over 2 weeks. In short, stage 1 has been a huge success. Throughout the 6 iterations of our counter-stake testnet, beginning with CS 2001 and ending with CS 2006, we have worked closely with our counter-stake validators to identify and fix a wide array of issues to achieve a functional running network. We are now ready to progress onto stage 2 in the coming days, the final stage of Counter-Strike. At this juncture, we wanted to provide a summary to the Matic community on exactly how stage 1 went. In this article, we will cover each iteration of the Counter-Stake testnet to explain exactly what took place during each phase, which functionalities have been tested, and which issues have been identified and overcome. So I'm not going to read this entire article. You can go to blog.matic.network to get this whole article. But I want to just go over to the conclusion of this article because they go through in the article, they go through each one of the testnets iterations. And I'll go to the conclusion just so you can see what happens then. So CS 2006, achieving a persistently running network. Once again, we've conducted rigorous internal testing on the CS 2006 before rolling out to the validator community to ensure all components were functioning correctly. We gradually begin adding validators to the new network until we reach 100 active validators. During this phase, we also tested the validator replacement and signer change functionalities with a subset of validators, and everything worked perfectly. CS 2006 has now been running successfully without any issues for more than 2 weeks since April 13th. No bugs have been found during this phase. 2 weeks of testing are much longer than the traditional time frame to declare a network a success. But we wanted to be as confident as possible that we have now achieved a persistent running network. Concluding thoughts onto the final stage. We'd like to say a huge thank you to all of the counter-stake participants who have contributed to making stage 1 a huge success. Together, we have identified and fixed an array of issues. We find the staking dashboard, and we are now ready to move on to stage 2. Stage 2 will see our validators essentially attempt to break the network in order to ensure with certainty that all bugs and issues have been identified and rectified during stage 1. This is the final hurdle before our mainnet is ready to launch, and we couldn't be more excited. Mainnet launch is clearly within our sights. All right, so awesome. So Matic mainnet launch is clearly within their sites. You can go to blog.matic.network to get the information. But yeah, they're about to launch their mainnet. All right, so there was some other news from Matic as well. There's this game. It is a game in it's called Tormatoya. Tom Noya launch party and roulette competition. Tom Noya is our newest casino featuring a Japanese aesthetic and located at 120-135 in Decentraland. So the game is in Decentraland. Users may explore 2 full floors of games and even strike the gong in the hallways. We completely redesigned our roulette tables to feature a floating wheel variant and much sleeker on UI to display the game data. So as you know, Decentraland is running on Matic, and so this was posted on the Matic Twitter page. All right. Other news: Quartz and Matic forged a partnership for testnet integration and dispute resolution (R&D). So there's a Quartz partnership announcement with Matic. So we are pleased to announce Quartz will be partnering with Matic Network to enable greater responsiveness, faster transaction processing, and lower transaction fees for dApps created on Quartz. As a part of our ongoing plan to have Quartz dApps provide a seamless user and developer experience, we're also pleased to announce that our Creeps dApp was successfully tested on Matic testnet. Matic will also be exploring using Quartz for their Plasma exits. All right, so Quartz is a layer 2 solution that combines computational scaling together with a Linux operating system for dApps. Complex and intensive computations run off chain over massive amounts of data while retaining decentralization and security of the blockchain. So, Matic's Plasma-based sidechain provides greater throughput compared to the base blockchain. This empowers dApps with a much faster response time and significantly lower transaction fees. The locality of consensus brought about by Quartz can take dApps developed with Quartz and Matic to a very high performance metrics, right? So this is how Matic is going to help out Quartz. And then there's another thing that Matic is working on as well. So privacy first COVID-19 app Tracy chooses Matic Network, right? So Tracy selects Matic as the layer 2 blockchain for its community apps after a careful analysis of its technology growing reach in the global community. Tracy community apps will now run on Matic Network for transactions and Acumen MobiBit for personalized decentralized storage. So Tracy fighting COVID-19 plus Matic. So we are glad to announce that Tracy's Citizen mobile app is being migrated to the Matic Network. About Tracy. Tracy is the first blockchain-enabled decentralized solution which helps manage the privacy angle on contract tracing, quarantine management, and finally restoring confident and free movement. Tracy also helps citizens gauge the likelihood of having come in contact with a person who has tested positive for COVID-19. It also allows the collection of primary health symptom data from the citizen users from the app. And authorities' apps can interact through QR codes with other citizens in the real world to ascertain confirmed health status. Take a look at the Tracy app. The app enables contract tracing, safe movement, and helps health professionals manage pandemic response. It is built on top of MobiBit for saving privately and securely sharing location data. All right. So here's an app that's going to help with contact tracing, and it's going to help with the COVID-19. And they decided to run on the Matic Network. So that's another positive gain for the Matic Network. So also another partnership we want to announce is the LTO Network, Blockchain for Enterprises. It has combined with the Matic Network, right? Bridging European and Indian ecosystems, blockchain solutions for enterprises with Matic. So Matic Network has kept the crypto community excited through 2019 due to countless integrations with gaming applications and payment solutions, supporting developers and aspiring projects all around the world with the focus on the Indian ecosystem. Today, we are proud to welcome them as the LTO Network technical and business partner. So LTO Network and Matic are a meaningful partnership, right? So this is going to be an article that you should read. You can read this at the blog at the ltonetwork.com, blog.ltonetwork.com, and as you can read about how Matic will be used in the LTO network, right? But we know Matic is just a great product, and they're about to hit their mainnet. So also, Polylinux, the exchange, had a Matic hold and earn campaign where you can earn an annual yield of 35% during our Matic hold and earn campaign. For the next 21 days, earn an annual yield of 35% simply by holding your Matic on Polylinux. Deposit Matic into your Polylinux account by the campaign start later at 1800 UTC to maximize your earnings. We will snapshot your Matic balance 4 times every day. Rewards will be distributed within 2 weeks of when the campaign ends on May 8, 2020. So we're at May 3rd, so this campaign is going to end soon, but you need to deposit at least 100 Matic, and they take 4 snapshots daily. Rewards will be distributed into your Polylinux account within 2 weeks of the campaign end date on May 8th, 2020. So That is another way to earn more Matic. You can transfer your Matic to Polylinux. I don't know if they're in the U.S. anymore. They may not be in the U.S. anymore, but that is a way. If you're not a U.S. user, you probably could use this as a way to increase the number of Matic that you have. And this is the Matic GitHub, and this is the Matic Medium page. So Matic is up to some big things. We want to encourage you guys to continue to support Matic. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on the news with Matic. I know a lot of times in crypto, there's a lot of conflicting news out there. All of the news that I got was from these are public channels, Medium, Twitter, blogs. These are public channels. I'm not doing anything that anyone else can't do, but I will encourage you guys to do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what Matic's going to do in the future, but I can just tell you this is the news. These are the things that have came out. Matic's current price is penny 7/10 right now. It's up 4% on the day. The market cap is 559 million. The rank 79 on CoinMarketCap. Circulating supply of 3.4 billion coins. The volume is 36 million right now. There's over total supply is over 10 billion Matic, right? So I'm sure they're gonna have some for staking as well, but keep an eye on Matic Network. I think Matic Network is going to do some big things. It was the #1 IEO on Binance. So we're expecting Matic to do big things, okay? Guys, thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for supporting Knockout Crypto. Don't forget you can go to knockoutcrypto.com to get the latest crypto picks and to get the next big crypto report. Thank you for supporting the channel, guys. Please join us at knockoutcrypto.com. Signing off, guys. I appreciate your support. Thank you.
In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.